What's good, everybody? This is your boy Fabian. Just checking in with you guys, man. Today was my birthday, and I just want to give you guys a quick snapshot of how MU gave your boy a little birthday money today. I'm grateful for all profits, and you should too. Set your goals, implement strategies, discipline, structure, execution. Let's go. All right, so right here, man, this is a quick snapshot of the little money I made in the account. So this first one right here, I did a 5-day. Got in today and had a expiration for 5/15, which would be Friday. Bought 4 contracts at $1.90, and went ahead and killed that about 2-3 o'clock today. And took those profits, $717. And then on my small account, my challenge account, jumped in also. I ran a 6/18 expiration, so I had a little more time on that one and came out with about $300 there. So I got $300 added to the 100K challenge account. And then just my regular account, man, a little birthday money for me to play with right there, $717. Let's go ahead and see how I executed that move to receive these profits. Let's go, baby. All right, man. So here's MU, the daily time frame, So as you can see, Monday, May 11th, that's the birthday, May 11th, Monday. This right here was the Friday candle, Friday close. So boom, we end up gapping up here. We gapped up on Monday. Now, just looking at the candle here, man, it's an indecision candle. We ended the day with an indecision candle. But during the day, this thing gapped up here, went all the way up, made it to, what is that, 819, not quite 820, about 819. Then sellers start coming in, people start taking profits. And just slowly start bringing it back down. So based on where the daily candle started and where it ended, we ended the day with an indecision candle. Keep that in mind on how Tuesday is going to play out. I'm already knowing Tuesday is probably going to go down some, probably not by much, but we're not going to gap up on Tuesday. This is an indecision right here. So that can tell you price could go either way. So it might start out low and then take back off. But enough about tomorrow. Let's focus on the birthday day. All right, man. So let's go inside this candle. Being that we're looking at this daily candle now, all you see is indecision. So I'm going to go to my lower time frame so you can see how things transpire throughout the day. The lower time frame is going to tell the story for this entire candle today. So I pretty much started everything on the 15-minute. All right, this is the 15-minute candle for our daily candle, May 11th. So let's go make sure I'm showing you guys May 11th. Boom, here's where we started. Let's blow that up, May 11th. 9:30 in the morning, boom, see that gap up? Now, the way I started my move, I used the orb method. Just so I can understand where price was planning to go for the day. So orb method is nothing more than establishing your 15-minute candle, the first 15 minutes, the high and the low. Boom. So this is the first 15-minute candle. You got the high point of the candle and you got the low point. Now, there's a class on orb, so I'm not going to go into too much detail, just kind of going over the process that I use to enter the play. All right, so typically on an orb method, after your first 15-minute candle, you're looking for a breakout out of either one of these points, either the high point or the low point. In this case here, because of the gap up, we got a breakout on the low point. Now, another thing I did also, because we got the gap up there, and this is the 15-minute time frame, I drew my little gap box there. So I drew this box here just in case we got a wick, anything inside this box here that will grab some liquidity and shoot higher. So typically you're looking for a breakout, which we got a breakout here, but you don't want to enter yet. You need a retest. So you wait on the next candle. The next candle tells you what price is going to do. Now here, price broke back into the orb. So that wasn't my confirmation yet. And it went higher. Typically, you're looking for a bounce here and then come back down and then go further. But it actually broke back into the orb. Basically came down here and got some liquidity, broke back into the orb. And then next candle we opened and we came back down again. So once again, I'm looking for a retest. A retest would be not breaking this orb line here and coming back down. It broke the orb again. We got to wait for confirmation. Patience, discipline, structure, execution. So I'm still waiting. It broke the orb line again. Then we get our next candle. It comes down, but hey, it didn't break the orb line. I'm feeling confident there. Boom, we get that next candle. It came down. That's that retest. Notice it didn't break that time. So I just need one more confirmation. Waiting on the next candle. Boom. We got that small wick. It came in and got some more liquidity, and then it bounced there. That's when I entered. I was comfortable with this bounce here, so I entered the play here. That's at 779, basically 780, about 780. I got into play and we rode that thing. Keep in mind, this is MU, and even though this looks like a little small box, this is a lot of money moving in between this little small box here from 780. Just right here is 800. So that's a $20 move. And ultimately, I was looking to get out at, I thought price was going to hit like 820. I was looking for it to hit 820. Didn't necessarily get there. I saw this candle here, ride this high, then this one started coming back down. So I went ahead and exited here to take my profits on both of my plays. So yeah, this is how I made a little birthday money on the MU play, man. I used the orb to establish my entry, and the only reason I did that because this candle is running, and we gapped up. So I'm just kind of looking to see where price is going to go, where market wants the price to go. And once again, this is just the 15-minute candle. Overall, I'm always looking at my larger time frames, but this was just to establish an entry. It was definitely going to be quick. As you can see, I used a 5-day expiration. Normally I'm leap, but I knew I wasn't going to stay in it long. It was just going to be a quick move. So whatever happened today was going to happen. I was going to enter and exit and take those profits because we are already at an all-time high. Are we going to go higher? I'm sure we are. But yeah, right now, this was the move to go ahead and enter and exit on the same day. But yeah, other than that, man, just want to give y'all that snapshot. Looking forward to seeing how the market plays out Tuesday so we can rinse and repeat, man. Yeah, this was a pretty good play, man. I enjoyed the process, enjoyed the journey. If you're just looking at the time frames, how everything was executed, like I said, I end up entering the play here, which is about 11:15 a.m., which was 10:15 my time. I'm central. So 11:15 a.m., and then I exited the play right here around 2:45, which was like 1:45 for me. So same day play, birthday money on the table. All right, man, that's it, man. That's all I got for you guys, man. Appreciate y'all tapping in, man. Like, subscribe, follow the journey. Continue to set your goals, practice discipline, follow your structure, and execute. See y'all on the other side, man. Salute.